A portable sewing machine is a handy tool for quick fixes, creative projects, and on-the-go stitching. Lightweight yet efficient, these machines are perfect for beginners, travelers, or anyone who needs sewing convenience without the bulk of a full-size machine. Here's a look at the best 5 portable sewing machines that make sewing simple, fast, and accessible anywhere. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, HomeDecors Portable Sewing Machine. There is something incredibly satisfying about having a reliable tool that makes quick fixes and creative projects feel effortless. And that's exactly the kind of experience this mini handheld sewing machine delivers. Despite its small size, it has been cleverly designed to handle everyday sewing tasks with surprising efficiency. Imagine being able to hem a pair of pants in minutes, repair a favorite shirt without dragging out a bulky full-size machine, or even stitch leather and thicker fabrics on the go. This compact powerhouse weighs only about 105 grams, making it one of the most convenient sewing companions for anyone who values both functionality and portability. What stands out immediately is its user-friendly design. With a flatbed mechanical configuration and a lock-stitch formation, it ensures stitches hold strong while remaining neat and tidy. The manual feed mechanism keeps you in complete control, allowing you to guide fabrics with precision, whether it's delicate cotton, sturdy denim, or soft leather. The portability is truly unmatched. Its compact size, about 10 by 9 by 3.5 centimeters, means you can slip it easily into a drawer, a travel bag, or even a crafting kit. For those who enjoy creative DIY projects, this little machine can open up a world of possibilities, from stitching together small fabric crafts to customizing your own home decor accents. The design itself is simple yet practical, crafted from a combination of durable plastic and metal for lightweight strength. It often comes in cheerful random colors like blue or pink, adding a touch of fun to its practical nature. The included sewing kit, measuring about 6.5 by 7 centimeters, provides the essential tools needed to get started right away, so there's no waiting around to begin your first repair or project. The handheld stitcher gives a sense of freedom you don't often find with traditional machines. There's no need for a power outlet, no complicated setup, and no heavy machine to lug around. This is not just for seasoned sewers either. Beginners who want to dip their toes into sewing without investing in a full-size machine will find it incredibly approachable. It also makes a great backup tool for those with larger machines, especially when a quick repair is needed, like fixing a seam before heading out the door. Its compact shape means it can be part of your everyday household toolkit, ready to tackle those last-minute sewing emergencies. Pros: lightweight, portable, easy use, DIY friendly. Cons: limited power, short stitches. Number 4. Dox ACH0001 Portable Sewing Machine. There's something deeply satisfying about discovering a product that turns a traditionally bulky, intimidating task into something fun, light, and refreshingly simple. And that's exactly what the Dox ACH0001 Portable Sewing Machine manages to do. From the moment you lay eyes on this tiny gadget, you can't help but be intrigued. It's compact, fits in one hand, and yet it claims to handle on-the-spot repairs, home crafts, and DIY fashion emergencies. As someone who's always up for testing tools that promise to simplify life, I couldn't wait to fire this little powerhouse up. First off, the Dox ACH0001 feels like a clever blend of nostalgia and innovation. Its build, crafted from sturdy ABS plastic, doesn't scream high-end, but it feels solid enough to trust with small projects. The design is minimal, functional, and truly portable. It's about the size of a stapler, so you can easily toss it into a drawer, bag, or even glove compartment without a second thought. Whether you're at home, on a trip, or even in your car, this tool is ready for action. What makes this handheld machine especially compelling is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need a sewing degree to get started. The pre-installed thread means you can literally open the box and start stitching within minutes. The controls are simple. Just press with your thumb and guide with your hand. No complicated foot pedals or tangled wires. Powered by either 4 AA batteries or a 6-volt adapter, it's a breeze to set up. Once it's running, the Dox ACH0001 is surprisingly efficient. It handles quick repairs on hems, pockets, and seams with ease. While it's not designed for thick fabrics or long sessions, it does exactly what it's made for, handling lightweight materials with precision. The included accessories, a needle, bobbins, needle threader, and even a scrap cloth for practice are thoughtful additions for anyone just getting started. Pros: portability, simplicity, accessibility, quick repairs. Cons: manual knotting, battery drain. Number 3. Holiday portable sewing machine. There's a certain thrill in discovering a tool that takes the intimidation out of sewing and turns it into something fun, fast, and accessible for everyone, even total beginners. That's exactly what the Holiday portable sewing machine manages to do, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for quick fixes, creative crafts, and last-minute mends. The moment I unboxed this sleek little machine, I could already feel the possibilities buzzing. It's compact, it's lightweight, and it feels like holding a gadget out of a futuristic DIY kit. The design instantly stands out. Unlike some of the stiffer, utilitarian-looking mini sewing machines on the market, this one adds a touch of thoughtful ergonomics. The handle is designed with smooth, rounded arcs that feel comfortable in your hand, even after longer sessions. It's refreshing to see a product in this category actually consider hand fatigue, and it makes a noticeable difference when you're stitching on the go or jumping from one repair to the next. What truly impressed me, though, is how beginner-friendly it is. It arrives pre-threaded, so if you're someone who feels overwhelmed by the idea of threading a needle, you're already ahead of the curve. Plug it in using the included USB cable or pop in 4 AA batteries and you're ready to roll. That dual power option is a massive plus. Use it in your sewing nook at home or throw it in your bag for travel and never worry about being stranded with a rip or tear. The Holiday portable sewing machine doesn't just look good, it delivers where it counts. It's got a single thread stitch with 2 speeds, making it easy to control whether you're mending a shirt sleeve or crafting a small decorative piece. The stitch quality is consistent, and it tackles a surprising range of materials: cotton, denim, canvas, felt, even light wool. This isn't some cheap toy-like gimmick. It's a real tool that's capable of practical and creative tasks alike. Pros: ergonomic design, dual power, accessories included, easy operation. Cons: manual tie-off, battery sensitivity. Number 2. Buyready portable sewing machine. There's something undeniably exciting about finding a tool that makes creativity not only accessible, but genuinely fun, and the Buyready portable sewing machine nails that balance perfectly. This is not your grandma's bulky sewing machine. It's sleek, streamlined, and incredibly intuitive, designed with beginners in mind, but versatile enough to impress even experienced sewing enthusiasts. From the moment I picked it up, I could tell this wasn't just a novelty gadget. It's a serious, compact powerhouse built for real sewing tasks. What struck me first was the ergonomic design. It's not just small, it's smart. The handle and controls are so intuitively placed that even if you've never touched a sewing machine before, you'll feel like a pro within minutes. There's a sense of ease to every movement, and the streamlined structure keeps your hand relaxed, even during longer mending sessions. Whether you're stitching up a shirt or customizing a tote bag, the design ensures your focus stays on the project, not on figuring out the tool. But don't be fooled by its size. This tiny machine has impressive capability. It can handle up to 4 layers of medium-weight fabric without missing a beat. I tested it on cotton, light denim, and even canvas, and it's stitched with precision and strength. The quality of the stitch is surprisingly sturdy, giving you the confidence to tackle not just emergency repairs, but creative projects too. This isn't just about fixing a tear. It's about expressing creativity in a form that fits in the palm of your hand. Its portability is where it really shines. Whether you're at home, traveling, or even in the car, this little machine is ready to go. It's lightweight, easy to store, and doesn't require complicated setup or adjustments. Just power it on and get to work. It's especially ideal for quick fixes like hems and seams, but also handles everything from baby bibs and aprons to pet clothes and DIY decorations. The included bobbin and sewing accessories mean you won't be scrambling for supplies either. Everything you need is right there in the box. The noise reduction is a nice touch too. Unlike some handhelds that buzz loudly, this one runs quietly enough that you won't disturb the piece if you're stitching late at night or during travel. And the added power boost ensures smoother, more consistent stitching, even across layered fabrics. Pros: compact size, strong stitching, ergonomic design, quiet operation. Cons: manual tie-off. Number 1 and the winner is Talerluv D062 portable sewing machine. There's something undeniably charming about a product that blends simplicity with creativity, and the Talerluv D062 portable sewing machine fits that description beautifully. This tiny handheld marvel is designed for those spontaneous moments when something tears, unravels, or simply calls out for a personal touch. It's the kind of gadget that quietly becomes your go-to sidekick for quick fixes, lightweight DIY projects, and crafting moments where lugging out a full-size machine just doesn't make sense. Right out of the box, the Talerluv D062 feels like it was made for convenience. Weighing only 250 grams and fitting snugly in your hand, it's a breeze to carry around, whether you're traveling, working, or simply moving between rooms at home. The design is clean and minimal, with a subtle curve that makes it comfortable to hold. Available in white, pink, or black, it has a soft aesthetic appeal without sacrificing practicality. One of the best things about this little machine is how well it performs under real-life, everyday conditions. It may not be built for high-intensity projects or thick fabrics, but it's absolutely perfect for patching up pants or skirts while you're still wearing them. Yes, really. There's no need to remove the garment. Just guide the fabric through with one hand and press with the other. It's that easy. Whether you're sewing curtains, hemming a pillowcase, or fixing a child's stuffed toy, it handles the task with a steady chain stitch and consistent rhythm. The simplicity of the Talerluv D062 is part of its genius. It operates on 4 AA batteries, making it perfect for use anywhere, and the straightforward mechanical design means there are fewer parts to fuss over. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll find it easy to operate. The feed mechanism is manual, which gives you control without overwhelming you with features. Just insert the fabric, press the button, and you're on your way to a neat and tidy repair, or a creative DIY moment. Of course, it comes with limitations. The stitch length is between 2 to 2.5 millimeters, which is fine for light work, but not suitable for heavy-duty fabrics. And since it uses a single-thread chain stitch, you'll need to tie off your threads manually at the end of each line to keep your stitches secure. Still, these are small trade-offs when you consider how convenient and accessible this machine is. If you're a crafter, a parent, or just someone who appreciates having quick solutions at your fingertips, the Talerluv D062 offers an affordable, portable way to stay in control of your clothing and projects without committing to a full-size sewing machine. Pros: lightweight build, easy storage, travel-friendly, user-friendly. Cons: single stitch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.